Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way. Lesson 25a. Words with standing fatha, standing kasra and inverted dhamma. And these are the signs like a, e and u. They are like alif mad, ya mad and waw mad. So give double stretch for each. You know it already. Let's start with standing fatha. Repeat after me. Hada, hada, dhalika, dhalika. So you don't say dhalika, it is the. It's just like alif mad. Kadhalika, kadhalika. Let's take the next one. Akhirati, akhirati. Repeat. Akhirati, akhirati, akhirati. طاغين. Watch here. طاغين. Repeat. طاغين. 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 آمنوا. آمنوا. آياتنا. آياتنا. So there are three mad here. A, ya, na. All of them should be equal. You don't say ayatina. No. Give equal stretch for all. That's the beauty. It's like, if you construct a house, all doors should be of equal heights. Otherwise, one door is taller, another door is smaller, doesn't look nice. So repeat again. Ayatina. Ayatina. Ayati. Ayati. Let's take examples for standing kasra now. Bihi, bihi, ilafi, ilafi, hadihi, hadihi. Let's take inverted dhamma, and for Urdu people they call ulta pesh. Lahu, lahu, Dawuda, Dawuda. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.